Judges this year are looking for next generation wearable technologies. So technologies that are really going to the leading edge. We're wanting to go beyond smart watches and health trackers and standard heart rate monitors. We're wanting to really push the boundaries. We're wanting to kind of take technology and we're wanting to kind of embody it in things that we wear and things that form extensions of the human body, but almost in a way that sends that technology to the background and allows the individual, the person, the athlete, the worker, the person that's going through some medical, health condition, it really allows them to become themselves and push their own boundary, overcome their problem. That's what we're after. We're not after the next Fitbit. No, I think that's current generation. Really what we're calling and challenging New Zealand to do is to really think big and to be bold and really to think about, what is wearables in years from now? What is the convergence of new technology and multiple technologies? What happens when they come together? What's really next? We often sometimes forget about people and the user when we're developing new technologies. But for C-Prize 217, it's all about the user. Really technology is the enabler. It's really sort of something that helps facilitate, people to achieve what they want to achieve. So the person's everything. We're calling teams to think about the user, try and empathise with them, try and put themselves in their world, and then try and create and design and invent and innovate new wearable next generation technologies that are from their point of view. We're asking teams to create a hardware, software solution that takes information from the body, so measures or detects information, a solution that can process that information and can feed that information back to help improve the situation or the outcome for that person. And with that in mind, that technology can also take information from the environment, so the sort of contextual surrounding of where that person is. So that's really a nice little nuance, and this technology challenge is sort of, I think all the judges are pretty excited to see how teams interpret that and how they kind of come up with ideas that can push those boundaries. New Zealand's got a very exciting, growing wearable technology industry. I think at the moment it's still very much in its infancy. We've got some fantastic, lead-out examples, and really I think with our expertise in the wider sport domain, the medical domain, different sort of commercial and workplace industries, I think we can really build on that and create a real hub and a real excitement and position New Zealand as sort of a real niche innovator in the global wearable space. To enter C-Prize 217, you need to go to the website. On the website you'll register and you'll be able to download a registration pack. That pack has all the information that you'll need to sort of understand the competition, form a team, get some mates together, sort of select one of the competition tracks, so there's 3 entry tracks, and then basically start getting into it. Converging technologies, think about the user that you're designing for or inventing for, and start shaping the ideas.